Hello and welcome to this edition of CancerTV News. I'm your host, Belinda Pinello. In this broadcast, we'll focus on ovarian cancer. We'll review a study that considers ovarian cancer as multiple diseases. We'll look into the benefit of being treated first by a gynecologic oncologist and review new research into the role a protein may play in stopping the growth of ovarian cancer cells. New findings in Canada report that classifying all ovarian cancers as a single cancer isn't accurate and in fact hinders the search for more effective treatments. The study shows that the various subtypes of ovarian cancer are actually individual distinct diseases and should be treated as such. However, the senior researcher indicated that these findings won't immediately change how ovarian cancers are treated. Instead, he hopes that it does prompt changes in the way ovarian cancers are researched, which could mean finding more effective treatments sooner. Researchers at the Vancouver Coastal Health Research Institute and the British Columbia Cancer Agency anticipate that these findings will accelerate discovering new treatments. For research purposes, treating all ovarian cancer patients as if they have the same disease may be the single greatest obstacle towards finding new biomarkers for ovarian cancer and discovering new treatments. Better detection tools and treatments for ovarian cancer are much needed. Ovarian cancer has always been a difficult disease to diagnose and treat. The symptoms in early stages are often vague. Although ovarian cancer is highly treatable in early stages, fewer than 20% of cases are found early. Late-stage ovarian cancer has a poor prognosis. In a newly released report, women diagnosed with a reproductive cancer, particularly ovarian and uterine cancers, fare better when they are first treated by a gynecologic oncologist. Gynecologic oncologists are doctors focused on the treatment of women with cancer. Not only trained to be cancer surgeons, they are also trained in prescribing chemotherapy and/or radiation therapy. The Gynecologic Cancer Foundation's report indicates that although only 1/3 of women with ovarian cancer receive their initial surgery from a gynecological oncologist, those who do are more likely to experience the appropriate and recommended surgery. The data in the report shows that patients who were operated on by surgeons who are more likely to use radical surgical procedures had much better results, and gynecologic oncologists are more likely to perform these radical procedures during surgery. Patients with other gynecologic cancers experience similar benefits, primarily due to the extensive surgical skills of gynecologic oncologists. Another recent study reports that blocking proteins produced by the oncogene MYC can stop the spread of ovarian cancer. An oncogene is a gene that has the potential to help cause cancer. MYC is overly active in over 60% of ovarian cancer cases. This causes the ovarian cells to produce an excessive amount of a protein regulator of other genes involved in cell growth. This leads to the explosion of cancer cells. Researchers at the University of California at Berkeley reported that there was no effect on lab cultures of normal ovarian cancer cells, leading them to believe that the treatments are effective only when the MYC genes are hormonally active. That ends this episode of CancerTV News. Thank you for joining us, and please visit us next time.